women have been revolutionizing, standing against the stereotypical views of the society. In the world of beauty pageant, Michelle Gumabao, who recently announced her participation in the first edition of Miss Universe Philippines pageant, was heavily criticized for her muscular legs. But she appreciates her body the way it is and said, "Muscles are only made for champions." Despite beauty queens being stripped of their title for violating the terms of the contract, Miss Czech Republic Natalia Kosendova is pregnant, but she will not be stripped of her crown. Zosie Binney is currently working from home in New York, continuing to advocate gender equality and women's rights even beyond her years as Miss Universe. Miss India Worldwide 2000 first runner-up, Lakshmi Appadurai Baker is now the mother of two. She spoke about her experience with postnatal depression after the first delivery. Looking at new projects by our former beauty queens, we are excited and looking forward to Priyanka Chopra's memoir Unfinished is finally done and dusted at Priyanka's end, and she shared a glimpse of the title page. On the other hand, Lara Dutta has officially announced the news of her upcoming movie Bell Bottom and had informed the shooting was to begin in August. Urvashi Rautela, Miss Diva 2015, Miss Universe India is all set to make her debut in the Telugu film industry with the movie Black Rose directed by Sampath Nandi. Former beauty queen Giuliano Franco has officially announced to participate and submit her application for the Miss Universe Colombia 2020. We wish her luck. Beauty queen Mariana Kehoe, winner of Miss India Nagaland 2019, is now engaged with the love of her life. Nelly Anjara Tiana has been crowned Miss Madagascar 2020 in a virtual pageant. She will represent her country Madagascar at the 78th Miss World pageant, which will be held in the later part of 2021. Unfortunately, Claudine Crasseru, Miss Universe 1972, died at the age of 66. Colombian beauty queen and popular model Elizabeth Lauza announced that she has been diagnosed with cancer in some tissues of her uterus and that this unfortunate result has also caused her to lose her baby. We wish her speedy recovery. Reflecting back on COVID-19 crisis, our beauty queens have continued to work towards the cause. Antonia Porcel, Miss Supranational 2019, has been serving society since her country, Thailand, has eased COVID-19 restrictions and has focused on providing necessities to those in need. Beauty queen Alison Wilkinson, who was recently crowned Beauty of the Nations 2020, is already up and active to fulfill her responsibilities with the help of her NGO, the Queen of Bags. She aims to distribute new items to children in need. They also accept donations of toys, books, coloring books, blankets, etc. The Miss London 2020 contest that successfully conducted the virtual pageant announced their winner on 25th May when they couriered the crown to the winner of the capital city. Jessica Kang now awaits the official crowning ceremony. Zosie Binney Tuni hosted a live session with Miss Universe Lebanon 2015 Cynthia Samuel, where the two bold and beautiful women of the universe discussed the current situation in Beirut, Lebanon after the massive explosion that took place recently. Former beauty queen Brittany Nicole Petit has been charged with 2 serious assaults attacking her ex-boyfriend in April this year by whipping him with a metal buckled dog chain. On the occasion of the 70th Independence Day, Priyanka Chopra shared a video montage of the great women who were part of the movement which led India to freedom. Here, watch it. Photos of Olivia Culpo with her new puppy has taken over our feeds. Miss Universe Malaysia 2019 Shweta Shekhon, while passing her crown to the next potential Miss Universe Malaysia, calls her crown her baby. Lastly, here are 6 iconic photographs in the history of Indian beauty pageant.